Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. I am your host, Jordan. Today we have a brand new NFT. Get a look at this, you guys. This is called Delta Max Fitness. I bet you can't guess what this one is about. This face right here is determined to get a workout. This one is stating that it is motivating people to live a healthy lifestyle using blockchain technology. You earn while you are working out. Let me say that again, guys. You earn while you are working out. I mean, that right there kind of just sounds like a great reason to work out, in my own personal opinion, especially if you're going to be earning while you are working out. If we go ahead and scroll here, you guys will see that we do have a little Giphy that is going on at this current moment of a whole bunch of NFTs. So these do look pretty cool. I do like the overall detail. We'll dive down a little bit further here and see what else we got. It says after completing all 4 calorie NFT achievements, you can then automatically unlock the 5th calorie achievement. And as I stated, I really do like this detail. Get a look at the wings here, you guys. They are golden. Get a look at this sword. I mean, this is pretty sick. I do like this. Let's go ahead and scroll down just a little bit further. It says calorie NFT plus steps NFT. I wonder what that equals. But if we get a look here, we got some more detailed NFTs, you guys. I do like these a lot. If you guys are interested, be sure that you check all this information out. It is going to be down below in the comments. It says that we decided to do a sneak peek into the 2nd collection. This is a heroes and villains comic concept. It's still early to show this. There's just a lot of information here, you guys. So let's see these ones real quick as well, then we'll dive down into the website. So I do like these NFTs, you guys. I do like these NFTs. I think they look pretty good in my overall opinion. There's just a lot of details with these, okay? So we need to pay attention because these actually might get a lot of hype. And remember, you guys, if you're working out, you are going to be earning. Let's go ahead and dive down into the website here. It says Delta Max Fitness. Be fit to earn. You guys can see right back here, it looks like we got someone that is currently working out. So the utility, what is the utility whenever it comes to Delta Max? Well, it says right here that Delta Max Fitness is a utility NFT. Okay, it is a utility NFT. The purpose of this NFT is to motivate people to live a fit, active, and healthy lifestyle. Take the play to earn system that blockchain games are using and apply to fitness and created the ultimate motivation. Let me say that again. So a lot of these NFTs are using blockchain games. In this case, they are using something different. They are using fitness. They're actually using something that you could do in the real world. It says people can earn Delta Max crypto coins. They can earn Delta Max crypto coins and NFTs for hitting fitness goals and being consistent. The Delta Max crypto coins can be spent on the online store. You can purchase supplements, workout clothes, gear, and exercising accessories. Completing fitness challenges and achieving goals will unlock NFTs. The harder the challenge, the rare the NFT is. You guys, this is a whole new concept, okay? You're talking about you are basically getting paid to work out, right? You're getting paid to work out. You get Delta Max crypto coins, right? That can be used for the store, okay? It can be used for supplements. It can be used for workout clothes, gear, and exercising accessories. I really do like this. I'm really interested in this one. Let's go ahead and scroll down here a little bit further. It says, how does the utility work? The DMF, which is Delta Max Fitness app, will connect to your wallet and verify that your wallet contains the DMF NFT. The app will also verify which NFT you have. The app will collect data from your Apple Watch, Fitbit, Samsung Galaxy Watch. There will be different point multipliers depending on which NFT. One issue people have told me they have when trying to be active and healthy is being consistent. You guys, this is so true. A way we have addressed this is by rewarding users who are consistently active. The more consistent you are, the higher your points and multiplier is. The more points you have, the more coins you can get. You can spend those coins as stated for the online store. So for the achievement NFTs, this is what's important here. This is the whole thing is important. But it says right here, when talking to people and getting opinions, and this feature gets everyone excited. All right, it gets everyone excited. When you complete certain achievements, you unlock NFTs. For example, let's say you walk 10,000 steps in a day, you unlock an NFT. The way the system works is there's more difficult the NFT is to unlock, the rarer it is. The rarer it is, the more the value it has. The more will be different collections of NFTs every month. You only have till the second day of the month to complete the challenges for the months of NFTs. The second that month's NFT collection will not be available to unlock anymore. So let me restate that again, okay? After the second month, okay? So let's say you failed last month, right? And then all of a sudden this month you do hit the achievement. You will not be able to get the NFTs from last month. You have to get the NFTs for that month. You have to complete your goals. You have to complete the challenges, okay? It says a collection may be rotated back in, but after a significant amount of time. Very similar to what Nike does with its Jordan collection, which makes sense. There will be collaborations with many NFT artists, from prominent up and coming artists. You guys, I really do like this. NFT minting and types. There are two types of NFTs. You got the basic, gets you the 1x multiplier. There are 8,000 of basic NFTs. The gold NFT earn you 1.5 multiplier, so 1.5 multiplier. There is a total of 500, 1.5 multiplier. The cost of minting TBA. So we're still waiting for that announcement. But if we get a look at these other ones right here, these are the DMF NFT 1.5 times. I mean, these are pretty dope, you guys. I like these a lot. Okay, let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit further. We do have our roadmap here. There's definitely a lot of information. We did phase 1, which is primary focus. We'll be marketing and promoting of company and project. Number 2, pre-alpha testing begins. Number 3, product website launch, which we currently are waiting for, I believe. And number 4, we have the announcement of the newest project that will utilize DMF coin, release date, and project spec. Then we got the first gym to open in Houston, Texas, that will accept DMF coin as one of the forms of payment for its membership. It says the first opens in Houston. So the question is are they getting a new gym here? Or are they currently an existing gym? And we got this one over here. It says minting of DMF NFTs. When 50% has been minted, next phase of project is executed. Delta Max Fitness app beta testing. Delta Max Fitness app public launch, minting and massive release for second tier DMF. Then we got partnership deals with other health and fitness online stores. Use DMF coins as payment method. So I really like a lot of this information, you guys. Like this, honestly, if someone told me, hey, I will pay you to work out, right? Or I will pay you to work out so you can buy stuff on my store, right? Or you can buy stuff on our online store. You can get supplements, you can get t-shirts, you can get hats, and all this crazy other stuff. I mean, I would definitely be highly motivated, my own personal opinion. So I would highly recommend that you guys check all this out. As stated, the links are going to be down below. All right, it does state that their current Discord is locked, so we do not have a Discord at this current moment. So I assure you that they will probably announce that here in the future. So anyways, thank you guys for all being here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you guys think about this. I mean, does this get you motivated to work out? Anyways, leave some likes, leave some comments. I will see you guys later. Have a great one, and ciao.